All right, folks, here I go again with another beautiful, gorgeous 2016 Ford Explorer Police Interceptor 3.7 all-wheel drive with 131,000 miles and only 3,100 idle hours. Original black on black from factory, so the paint looks great. The paint does have some scratches, does have some chips and some door dings, which I will point out as I make my way around the vehicle. This was a unmarked undercover unit. She has been completely blacked out. The vehicle has also been fully serviced and she is in immaculate running condition and shape. You are going to want to stay tuned to this one because she received quite a bit and I did want her perfect, so I kept putting into it till I was done. Let me stop right here, folks. The vehicle does have fresh new window tint all around. I think that's going to be a 15% in the back, 5% in the front. Once again, vehicle has been fully serviced. The vehicle doesn't have any holes whatsoever on the body. No holes whatsoever on the body. Let me backtrack here, folks. You're gonna see some chips right here, some door dings. Those little white dots. Those are some chips, some door dings. Scratches right here, the rear left quarter panel. Once again, the vehicle doesn't have any holes whatsoever. This is going to be an E85 flex fuel unit. Okay, the vehicle does have backup camera with working backup sensors. Yes, everything does work. Vehicle does hold a clean and clear title. This is not a salvage title. I don't deal with salvage vehicles, but every now and then I do get asked. I do have some door dings here. I'm going to go ahead and point those out to you guys, and some more little scratches here, and I do have some door dings here in the front passenger side door. All right, you guys can see them right there, folks. What you see is what you're gonna get, and I try to do a great job at telling you what she has and what she doesn't. Folks, before I forget, I got to tell you that the vehicle did receive a fresh new set of takeoffs. Those are going to be the Firestone Firehawks 245 55/18s. The tires that came with the vehicle, they were not acceptable, so once again I contacted my guy and he had a nice set around DOT of 2022 and 23, so I went and got them. Also, before I forget, the vehicle does have brand new rear motorcraft brakes and rotors. You guys can see them right there. Brand new motorcraft rear brakes and rotors. In the front, I do have brand new motorcraft front brakes with a nice set of performance friction rotors that I did have on standby. Once again, the rotors are drill slotted by Performance Friction. All four steel wheels on the vehicle, as you guys can see, are nice and glossy. They did not need to be reconditioned. They do need it to be cleaned out and degreased. When the vehicle first arrived, folks, I got to tell you, it came with the full wheel covers. Those are the ones that nobody likes. So I went ahead and removed those, and I went with the blacked out center caps, which actually makes the car look super nice. No spotlights ever installed on this vehicle. Once again, no spotlights. This was not a patrol unit. I do have a nice set of clear lights and lessons in the front, folks. On the front hood, I do have chipping. Those little white marks, let me clean this out here for you guys. Those little white marks are chipping from road hazard, highway driving, whatnot. I didn't paint it. I'm leaving it alone. If you are a customer and you are interested in maybe getting the hood painted, let me know. I can go ahead and give you my price on it, and I need 3 days, just so you know. We'll get you up and running, and the car will look new all over again. All right, guys, let's go inside. I do have a lot of ground to cover. Here we go. Let's go inside. The vehicle does have a nice, almost perfect interior, rear matching seat. All seat belts and buckles are in place. Carpeted floors with original OEM floor mats, carpet floor mats, and also does have the Rover floor mats to go with it. So you will get both sets. Okay, once again, carpet floor with matching carpet floor mats and Rover mats for this vehicle. You guys can see that right there. No tears, no holes. Everything does work. Perfect door panels. All 4 door panels are in perfect condition. Driver's side seat is in good condition, nice and comfortable. No complaints. The vehicle does have a Havis police type center console. What you see is what you're gonna get. I'm not removing anything, so that's gonna stay in the vehicle. Passenger side seat looks to be in new condition. Hunk does work. Floor mats, once again, there you go, guys. Explorer, so they are original too. So that's Explorer right there. The vehicle does have 3 factory regular keys with 2 working controllers, factory controllers. Sorry, there you go. 3 keys, 2 controllers. Let me clean this up here for you guys. Power, pressure lights are up. Vehicle does have 131,000 miles. We're going 132. I am driving this vehicle around, so the miles might be a little bit higher, but not by much. Engine idle hours are 3101. There you go. Stereo does work. YouTube, I do not own the rest of the song. YouTube, I do not own the rest of the song. Map lights do work with the vehicle. When you get inside the vehicle, the lights will come on, so the blacked out option has been enabled. So when you open the doors, the light will come on. Red LED, white LED. Let's go to the back. AC is nice and cold. Everything does work, folks. I use it. We need it. California is nice and toasty right now. There you go. Let's go to the trunk. Cruise control. The vehicle does have working cruise control. Vehicle does have factory working Bluetooth as well. You can connect your phone and stream your music, take calls right from the stereo on this unit. Let me clean this up here for you guys. Sorry, I apologize. There you go, about time. Headliner in perfect condition. Here are the floor mats, folks. Everything is here. What you see is what you're gonna get. Buyer takes all. Full spare tire in the back. Hold down pen and floor jack in place. Nozzle for the gas right there. All right, folks, here we go. If you should have any questions about this unit, please do not hesitate to give me a call. I'm not sure how long this vehicle is gonna stay online, so if you see something you like, guys, do not hesitate to make contact. HID lights, pretty bright at night. Gotta love them. One hand, guys, here, guys, bear with me. Oops. All right, thank you for waiting. Here's the engine. No funny noises, no funny smells, no funny ticks. Everything is as it should be, folks. Once again, this was not a patrol unit. Here we go, starting right to left. I do have a, actually the air filter on this one was good. It did not need replacement, so I did leave it alone. Throttle body was everything cleaned out. I did install 6 new Motorcraft Platinum spark plugs. Full synthetic 520 oil service was done. Transmission service was also done, and I did use Motorcraft Mercon LV. Cabin filter. It's a new Motorcraft cabin filter. I had that done. Also, folks, I did replace the drive belt and tensioner by Gates. Drive belt and tensioner were replaced. The belt that was there was full of little cracks, and it was time to go. Suspension is nice and tight. Air conditioner is nice and cold. You have full brakes and rotors all around. You have full set of tires all around that are new takeoffs. Trying to see if I'm forgetting anything. I don't think I am. Oh, the battery. The battery is a AAA battery, front end department. That's what came with the car. I tested the battery. It's rating healthy, so it doesn't need any replacement. All fluids have been topped off. Folks, you are road ready. Once again, I set you up for success on another beautiful, gorgeous car. All right, here we go. One last final look. Folks, once again, this is going to be a 2016 Ford Explorer 3.7 all-wheel drive with 131,000 miles. Fully serviced and in near perfect running condition and shape. All right, folks, I'm not sure, once again, I'm not sure how long this vehicle is going to stay online, but if you see something you like, do not hesitate to give me a call. I'll be more than happy to work with you. And I hope to reach an agreement with whoever calls me on this one. Could you find a cheaper car out there? Yes, you can. Is it going to be in this condition? No, it's not. And believe me, I talk to many customers who buy their cars elsewhere and they bring it to me for proper refurbishing and servicing for all the PM services that the car may need. I myself, folks, I go through the whole car and I give it everything she needs, tool and done, putting everything I can to it to make sure she's perfect for the next customer. All right, once again, here she is. Any questions, comments, concerns, please feel free to give me a call or text me. My name is Mario, also known as SoCal Police Cruisers. I think I got everything covered. She's going to be listed online on eBay. If I did miss something here, which I really doubt, it's going to be listed in my eBay ad. All right, folks, I got to go. You guys have a blessed weekend out there. Please be safe. God bless and take care.